Okay, so what you want to first start by doing is brushing your eyebrows out because you need all your hairs to go in the same direction. That'll make for a better cut. So what I use to trim my eyebrows are just some regular basic trimmers. I just put them on the camera. Now what you want to do with those is you just want to go along your natural shape of your eyebrow. And as you can see, I'm not doing no major drastic changes. I'm just cleaning my eyebrows up. So then here, what I'm doing is getting rid of my unibrow because I have a light one. Like, it's not heavy, but it's there if I let my eyebrows grow. I don't know. So then for this eyebrow, you want to do the exact same thing you did for the first one.